Here's my tutorial on how to install Kali Linux virtual machine in VMware. So I'm going to just go follow this article and click on the link to the VMware Download Center. I'll open that in another tab and then I'll go there. So then I'll search for Workstation, VMware Workstation Player. Go click there and then I'm going to go install it. So you're going to go a little further there and keep going to install it, and then here you just follow the rest of the steps on the link or the article.
Later.
Okay, so now we're on the Kali Linux website. So now that we're here and we have VMware set up, we are going to go click on download. And then, since we're installing a virtual machine, I'll go click on the virtual machines platform. So here we are with the pre-built virtual machines for different stuff. And then I highlighted here the credentials to the VM when you have it set up, which is Kali for the user and Kali for the password. So I'm going to click on the VMware icon, and you can choose where to have it saved. I'm just going to have it saved in this folder, and then I'm just going to click on save so it will be downloaded.
5 hours later.
So now that Kali is finally installed, you can see that it's installed as a 7-zip file, which will need to be decompressed. So there's probably some ways to do online, but for my case, I just use 7-zip, which is a program, and I'll go over the steps on how to install that if you need it or you can't find a way to do it online. So first, I'm going to go to the 7-zip site, and then I'm going to click download. I'm going to save that. And you could just follow along with me since I just clicked the exe file and just set up 7-zip. And then once that's done, I should be able to run 7-zip. And then now that I opened it, you can see what file I'm looking at. I'm in the Kali installation file, which I made. I'm going to select the Kali file, the Kali 7-zip file, and I'm going to choose to extract it. You can specify the extract location, but I just kept it in the same file. So I pressed OK, and then we're just going to wait for it to install. I fast forwarded this, so yeah. Anyways, now that it is done, we have a file we can work with. So let's just check that out. There's the file. Now let's open VMware. I'm going to go to File, Open. I'm going to go to the Kali installation file I created, where I put the VMware files in, and I'm just going to go into that extracted VMware file. So now that the file is open, you can see that now we have a new VM, and it's at the latest version of Kali since I just installed that, and now let's boot it. Now it's on. Now I'm going to log in, user Kali, password Kali, and now I'm in. Cool. So that's my installation of Kali Linux on VMware.